Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are joining along for the first time, my name is Amber. I'm going to be doing another spring clean. This is going to be part 2 of the first part that I've already uploaded. This time I'm going to be tackling more so my kitchen. Samir's in the background, that's his way of saying hello. But I'm going to be tackling my kitchen. I'm gonna deep clean and clean up my fridge. My cabinets need to be organized, like where my Tupperware is, my spices, where I keep the medicine. I'm sure there's probably like some expired things in there. So it's definitely time to get over the procrastination and get all of it done. And probably wipe down like some walls and the baseboards in the kitchen along with cleaning up the kitchen because we just had dinner, so it's a mess. Also, I wanna let you guys know that this video is in collab with one of my very sweet friends here on YouTube, Shanti over from Shanti's Lifestyle. She's also going to be doing a spring cleaning kitchen deep clean type of video as well. So I would love it if you guys would say hello to her. I'm gonna actually let her go ahead and introduce herself real fast and then I'll be right back.
Hi everyone, my name is Shanti from Shanti's Lifestyle. On my channel I have a lot of different content from cleaning and organization videos, DIY, some decorate with me's, basically anything that pertains to being a woman, wife, and a mother. After you're done watching Amber's video, I'd love it if you come over to my channel to check out my video and hopefully subscribe if you like what you see. If you decide to stop by, please let me know in the comments. Hope to see you there. Bye.
So definitely as soon as you are done watching my video, head over to Shanti's video to get some extra cleaning motivation and also tell her hello and let her know that I sent you. If you are coming over from Shanti's channel, hello. I hope you decide to stick around and join my family over here. I have playlists set up, so definitely check out some of those playlists if you would like to see more of other videos that I've done here on my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button. Let's get right into this cleaning motivation. Before I get started, I got to get some good music on because this is going to be quite a task. And I don't know about you guys, but I need some good music to get myself in the mood. So let's go. This was everything that was in those cabinets. Oh my gosh, this is embarrassing. This looks nasty. I don't even know how long that's been in there. I'm gonna be honest. We've lived here 4 years and it's probably been in there ever since we've lived here. We don't drink this. I don't know why it's in there. And then breast milk bags. I haven't used these since I stopped a breastfeeding Tank, and he's now 2. So it's been over a year since I stopped breastfeeding. This is when I used to pump a lot. I was exclusively pumping with him. So those were leftovers. I didn't breastfeed with Samir. And then all of this stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of the stuff that doesn't need to be in here, go through the medications and see what's expired, what's not. The medicines shouldn't be expired. I'm pretty good about switching that out, so that should all be good, but there's some other random stuff in there that probably needs to go. I have these two little containers from the Dollar Tree and then these two little baskets. So this is what I'm gonna use to go ahead and get everything in there organized. Fun, fun, let's begin. right, you guys, that sums up my kitchen declutter. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. What are you waiting for? Join my family here. Smash the subscribe button. Also, don't forget to head over to Shanti's channel. Go check out her video. She's deep cleaning her kitchen. Go send her lots of love. Let her know I sent you guys, and smash that subscribe button as well. Thank you guys, as always, for all of your love and support. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.